Good morning. I have to admit to begin with that I was a lot more interested in being out there, walking around, than I am in being in here. It's that wonderful an effort, and I completely agree with Mr. Grover that we should have a lot more to see when we come in the future. Personally, I've always sought as an artist to express myself through art. I believe it's a spontaneous and intuitive expression of life. I've been passionate about various art forms and fitness, which is one of them. About health, design, dance, all things beautiful. And yes, of course, it is design that drives business at the end of it. Over the last 8 years, I discovered a passion for painting, and ever since have held various solo exhibitions. And while art is a means of self-expression for some, and a platform to communicate messages for others, I find art to be wonderfully therapeutic, as is design, as is living with design. It's a laudable effort that Index and Aura Art have initiated to create the Art Enclave, which will provide an integrated platform to reach fine art out to the interior designers and architects from across the country. This platform will enable them to engage and collaborate with a spectrum of artists and bring good quality art to their projects, whether homes, offices, hotels, or even hospitals. I think art over a period of time is going to get very functional. It won't just be on your walls. We're seeing parts of that here already. It's going to be on the sofa you're sitting on. It's going to be a lot more a part of your life and your home, of objects surrounding you, and therefore the increasing role of interior designers and architects in incorporating fine art in various projects. I don't know if I didn't walk around sufficiently, but I was hoping to see more of an integration between the art world and actual furniture, actual design. Perhaps in the future there'll be more of that. I ardently believe that Indian art will take bigger leaps and bounds in the years to come and leave a remarkable impact on international markets. Congratulations on your wonderful effort and all the best for the future. Thank you.